A very good morning. On the 11th convocation ceremony of graduating students at Chandigarh Group of Colleges, I extend a warm welcome to Professor Kaptan Singh Solanki, our chief guest, Governor of Punjab and Haryana, Chancellor of Punjab Technical University. A very good morning all. Today we have with us the alumni of Chandigarh Group of Colleges about to be conferred degrees from Honorable Governor. So hi everyone, how do you feel that you are being conferred degree for Honorable Governor of Punjab and Haryana?
It's a great moment and we feel very proud to be a student of CGCL, and I feel it's a very great moment for our parents as well. So
that's very true. How do you feel?
Actually, I feel good too. It's a great moment for my parents. My parents are not here actually now, but
still they would be very happy, right?
They would be happy. So it's a great moment for me.
So are you people placed, any one of you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're placed. Great. The campus placement?
yeah, it's campus placement.
Okay, where are you been working?
I'm working at Capgemini in Mumbai.
Oh, that's really great. Like you have been working, apart from getting the degree beforehand, you're working. Yeah. That's very true. So how is your experience being in CGC?
It was very nice. I've learned very many things from this college. It's very nice to be part of this CGC campus. Even my parents are very proud as I got campus placement from CGC itself. So it's very nice to be here.
Hello ma'am.
Hello.
What's your good name?
I'm Dilpreet Kaur. I'm an assistant professor in this college.
Oh great. So how was your experience being a student in CGC as well as the faculty?
Actually, I'm here from the last 1.5 years as a faculty member, and I've done my MTech from this college. This is the most prestigious college I have ever seen in my career. This college gives you many career opportunities that you can't find out somewhere else. Like when I was in MTech, I was being placed in L&T also, but my option was to pursue with my teaching. That's why. So as an alumni, I can say that this is the most best option to opt for this college, as it gives you many career options, not the placement one, many other ones. If they can give you the preparations for your placements, they can make you prepare for your teaching purposes and many other purposes. So I can say this is the best place to opt for your career.
Good morning ma'am. Ma'am, how do you feel that your students are graduated and placed even before they are conferred degrees?
Well, it's a really good feeling, and I'm sure they themselves must be very proud about it. And the fact that they have made such an effort to be part of an alumni association of CGC Nanta also. So I'm sure they do thank the college and they do know what they got from the college. And being placed from the college, if they're being placed before even getting the degrees, is definitely an achievement.
True, ma'am.
And they do feel, they must be feeling a little relaxed that okay, fine, because they've already stepped into a professional arena. So we wish them all the best, and they're doing very well, which is very, very good. So all the best to all of them.
So you are here for displaying Central Control Unit for Irrigation. So hello Lakhan, how you have come up with this idea?
Hello, actually we saw our farmers in the field working very hard in the hot weather, so we thought that we should give them some tech toy with which they can use at sitting home. Like we have made over here, you can see, we have made a central control unit for irrigation motor pump, which a farmer can control all the system in the field by sitting at the home. Even if he is sitting in Canada, it doesn't matter where he is sitting.
Okay, there would be a virtual presence of the farmer even if he is not in the fields at present. So ma'am, I would like to ask you, like you have been a key initiator in between. How did you feel to support these students?
My team has been really wonderful. And when we got the project idea, we thought that we should make it based on the recent wireless technology, that is, we made it using Zigbee sensors. And they were second year students, they were not aware of what wireless technology is, what Zigbee sensors are, and then they worked very hard to know the basics of Zigbee. They worked very hard to understand microcontroller programming, and then they came up with this wonderful project. And the very good part of this project is this is sort of modular. When you don't want, you can pick up the sensors from the field and keep them in the safe. And when you actually want to deploy them, they can be positioned in the field. and this project can be extended to any area of the field just by increasing the number of the sensors, whereas the central control unit remains the same.
Oh, great. But even then, like you said, that the students have worked really hard, but still there was a strong support from the management. How do you feel about that?
Very true. We got the support from college authorities at every step during the progress of this project, and whenever we discussed the progress with Dr. Radhesham, who was the project mentor, overall project mentor, he used to give us new ideas that you should try to implement this part, you should try to improve this part of your project. And later on, when we worked on all the suggestions given by the senior faculty members, we found out that the final product that has come up has so many features that we really feel proud of. I really feel proud of the hard work put in by my students, as well as the valuable feedback I have received from my seniors.
Being a beginner, you might have some expectations from the institution. Do you think they were fulfilled?
Exactly. Actually, the main dream what I had from this institution was I should be placed in a very renowned company, and I got various company offer letters from this institute, and now I have already placed in Coca-Cola.
That's really nice, a top brand in fact.
Yeah.
So how does it feel? It's like you are being working or you've been placed even before you're getting the degree?
Yes, that's a main thing. Actually, institution's names goes up only on the condition that if it provides good placements to the students. And that is the main thing in North India. Our campus provides the best placement in the North India.
How was your experience being in CGC?
It was amazing. It was seriously amazing. And finally we had to attend a convocation. It was fantastic.
So you are being conferred degree from Honorable Governor. How do you feel?
Awesome.
It was good. It was really good. I enjoyed. I learned many things, and finally I got the degree.
Hope you are excited that you are entering into a professional world.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am. I have already been into it.
Right.
And,
so you're working already?
Yes, I am working. So I'm really proud that I got an opportunity from this college.
This would be a moment for pride for your parents as well.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
I feel really great. It's a really wonderful experience. Like after all this time, having worked outside, coming back to our college, it's really nostalgic.
So for the 4 years, you've been working so hard, and now the moment has come to be a very professional leader.
I just have one thing to say, that I feel like I'm on cloud 7 now. I got selected in 2 companies, 2 topmost companies, and all my.
So we have multiple job offers in CGC.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, which company you're working with?
I got selected in L&T and Wipro, so I joined L&T.
I recommend students to take admission here. Personally, I recommend. There's nothing like this. This college is not like that and all. We are here studying here, and we have achieved degree.
It would be a great moment for your parents as well. How do you feel?
Very proud. Simply proud.
Ma'am, your good name?
Simika.
And your family as well. Ma'am, how do you feel being graduated and being conferred a degree from Professor Kaptan Singh Solanki, Governor?
I am feeling very much delighted, and it's a matter of proud for me and my parents and my family that I get to got this opportunity.
Sir, आप कैसा feel कर रहे हैं? Like your daughter is being placed.
बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं. गवर्नर सबको मिले. अपना कॉलेज अच्छा है. डिग्री किया बच्चे ने. बहुत अच्छा फील.
Thank you, sir. Sir, आपके क्या views हैं?
Thank you. We are feeling proud to have my sister has been graduate. It's been a very wonderful experience, and we feel very motivated, and now we feel more motivated towards towards taking the challenges of the life.
So this is the moment that you are about to enter a professional world.
Yeah, no, actually we have already started our own startups. So right now we are dealing in a travel agency. That's my own agency. That's a startup, and we take the group tours of different colleges and corporates.
So before you are being conferred the degree, you're already working. Congratulations on that note.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And any tips and tricks that you would like to share for your juniors, the student fraternity?
I think that this is a wonderful environment CGC is providing, and not only in studies, academics also, but in different, even in starting of the startups, as I have started it in traveling and tourism. So there are ample amount of opportunities for the people to start their own business, as well as to enter the professional world as engineers and other fields.
But last but not the least, you might have a few expectations when you've just joined CGC from the institute. And now, do you think those expectations were fulfilled?
I still remember the first day when I entered into CGC Landra, and the first note that was given by Satnam Singh Sandhu sir was that you will be you will get the placements very surely. So that promise was kept by CGC Landra, and lot of companies came to CGC Landra, and I don't believe even if a person having a small caliber was not left without placement. So that was the best thing of CGC Landra.
So are you people excited to be conferred degrees from Professor Kaptan Singh Solanki? This was indeed a motivating experience. So ma'am, how do you feel? How was your experience being in CGC Landra?
It was awesome, and we are very proud to be a part of CGC, and also that we all have been mostly placed, so it's a great thing for us.
How was your experience being in CGC?
Yeah, it was really wonderful. Nice friends, nice education, and everything was very exciting.
And what about placements? Any of you working beforehand?
Yes, because of CGC I got placed in 3 companies, so it was very difficult to choose one of them. So I joined Click Labs, and yes, I worked as an iOS developer there.
She actually had an option to choose between 3 companies.
3 companies, HCL, L&T and Click Labs.
That's really great. So what do you think from the placement point of view? Does the college help you now?
Yes, it does.
What's your good name?
Rohini.
So how was your experience being in CGC?
It was very good. CGC has taught me so many things and had made me a better person.
That's very true. So being an alumni, were your expectations met when we talk about the institute?
Yes, totally. Yeah. This institution, I tell you, will give everything will do everything for the student that is need to be done in today's scenario. So regarding its placement or anything else, education, very friendly talks, counseling, everything is provided in this institution very well. So I am very, honored to be a part of this institution.
Moreover, you're getting the degree from Professor Kaptan Singh Solanki.
Yes.
How do you feel?
I feel very honored, very humble. That's very nice of him to take out time for us and give us to make this day.
This is a memorable
day for you. Yeah, totally.
Obviously for your parents as well.
Exactly. Very memorable for them also. And I'm waiting for the master's degree as well, as I have passed out from this college only. Okay. Master's also I've just completed right now.
That's really good.
So graduation as well as post-graduation.
I'm Divya Chopra.
Okay, so since you're being conferred degree from Professor Kaptan Singh Solanki, how do you feel?
It's feeling awesome as in lifetime. It's a lifetime opportunity for me as a convocation. I have done my master's from here, and I'm feeling very nice as I'm getting my degree from Punjab's governor, so it's feeling good.
So how was your experience being in CGC those 4 years?
I did MCA, so I spent 3 years of my life here, and I made my lifetime friends, as well as I got placed in a good company. Now I am earning good.
So you're already working?
Yeah, I'm working with Tech Mahindra from last 2 years.
That's very great.
I'm 2013 pass out, and I have lots of memories with respect to teachers or friends, or as we say, college time is it's one time memory that we cannot ever forget, and I had lots of fun.
And your parents, obviously, like you've been working even beforehand getting the degrees. How do you feel?
It's great.
So how are you feeling? Like you would be sharing a strong bond with the students, and they are about to excel in their lives.
Yes, it's a good experience for me, and perhaps in this institute, this is my 3rd convocation, and I really feel good the way students enjoyed this, and especially we have a bond with students with whom we have spent our 4 years of degree engineering.
Yes.
So it's a good experience for all of us.
You would be blessing them all the way along.
Yeah, no doubt of it. I always bless them. I expect they will do the good in their life. I expect good for them.
So it's obviously your exposure, your support that our students excel in various fields, like they are having placements. So how do you feel that students are already placed?
Yeah, that is what today we have experienced, that many of our students have done very well, and many of them have been placed, and almost I feel 60 to 70% students they have placed in very good companies, national and international.
It's wonderful that we are now celebrating the 11th convocation, and the good part was that Honorable Governor of Punjab, His Excellency Kaptan Singh Solanki Sahab was there to confer the degrees to our students. So it's a wonderful feeling.
Yes, sir, this is a moment of great bliss. Congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And sir, how do you feel this convocation is a little different from the previous convocation ceremonies that we had?
All convocations are very pious affairs, you know. They're very sacrosanct affairs. This time, the difference was that the number of awardees were quite large, and I'm very happy that the entire program went as per the plan, and we could confer degrees to more than 1500 students of 2 batches, that is 13 and 14 batches.
So, sir, any message that you would like to pass on to the graduating students of CGC?
Of course, I would like to bless them, and I would like to say that, you know, these degrees can make their career only if the commitment is there, the passion is there, and they are going to utilize their good traits, good character, and as you know, as the chief guest today said, the character builds the career. So that's very, very important, that they should move ahead, make a good career, and walk in the right path.
So they're just about to kickstart their new life, isn't it?
Oh yes, of course they are. But I'm very sure that the education that they have had here will give them an edge to compete with the other students and to excel in their career.
Like, so we have students who are already being placed.
Yes, of course.
Yes, sir.
Placements is one of the strengths of CGC, you know, as a group. And I'm very happy that this year more than 350 companies have come.
Yes, sir.
And
more than 4,500
and more than 4,500 students have got offer letters, you know. So it shows that what we are doing is in right direction and companies are accepting our efforts.
Sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Komal. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. On the 11th convocation ceremony of CGC Landra, we have with us Honorable Governor of Punjab and Haryana, Professor Kaptan Singh Solanki. Welcome, sir.
Yes, okay.
Sir, first of all, I would like to ask, how do you feel coming to CGC?
I am very enlightened and also encouraged by seeing the campus, its performance, and the students.
There is a energetic rush that we have in this campus, don't you feel?
Yes, okay. Yes. And what we need, the atmosphere, the performance of the university in the present circumstances, I see all those things in this university. Thank you for this.
So one more question, please. So you are known as a tough man in the field of wrestling. So would you like to share some experiences that, like, how did you manage to overshow other students?
It is a part of habit.
Thank you, sir. Our students are extremely delighted to be conferred from yourself. Whatever field you wish to work in, contribute towards the society as well. Here at CGC Landra, we had 2,000 students graduating this year on the 11th convocation ceremony. We feel and wish the best of your futures ahead. Being a CGCian, I am proud to be a part of this venerable occasion. This is Komal Marawa signing out, Chandigarh Group of Colleges, building careers, transforming lives. Thank you.